It's a workshop just to understand the magical environment we are living today, to understand the hidden realms, energies, entities, spirits, even angels, even demons will need to understand these things. Some demons you are interacting with without knowing, at least some of you, if not many of you. I can't go deeper into it right now. By understanding all that and then giving you tools from various meditation practices, mantras, and as I said, a special puja, a special ritual that we will do together live, then you will see that you actually will be able to be much more clear and knowledgeable instead of ignorant to what really goes on in the world today. And yes, there are many hidden forces that are affecting our destiny, our life, our country, our world all the time, and this has been going on from the beginning of time. The problem is that it has been accelerated and accelerated a lot in the last few hundreds of years, and especially in the last 100 years. And we are today coming towards the pinnacle, the critical turning point, where this information becomes very, very necessary for the spiritual ones. And yet I can tell you there are not many people who are open to this knowledge. And more than that, there's not many people who actually get access to this knowledge. This is what they call the wall of silence. The wall of silence is another word for the karmic limitations. People have a certain karma, and their karma for many people these days is the karma that we are simply not allowed to gain access to the real knowledge. But when you get access to the real knowledge, my goodness, this can change everything for you. That's why if you read the description of this course on our website, you will see that I added a sentence there saying, be aware, this course is not for the faint-hearted. This course is not for people who are, politically correct or too scared or, I don't know, a bit worried about these things or too skeptical. Don't even try if you're too skeptical, because this course will take you to some crazy levels of knowledge and you will just say, oh my goodness, this is too much. I don't believe this. I can't accept it, because it will test, it will shake your fundamental beliefs in what really goes on around you, what life really is, and what kind of a role you are playing in your own personal drama, in your own personal life story. This is very critical. This is very important. And that's why I'm going to share it, because I believe the time has come now. It's a critical time in history of mankind, and we really some people have to speak up, and because so many people are out there sharing all kinds of confused information, I feel I need to set the record straight as much as I know. I'm not saying I have all knowledge. I have only the knowledge that I have, which is limited, but whatever I have, I'll share with you up to a point, of course, and I will give you tools as much as I can that you can support yourself and understand as best as possible.